and welcome to the opening ceremony of the second edition of the IEEE International Electric Vehicle Conference. IEVC represents the flagship conference of IEEE for electric vehicles. IEVC 2014 will now be officially opened by General Chairman Giuseppe Tommaso, professor at the University of Cassino and South Lazio.
Our IEVC trip started less than 1 year ago, and in less than 1 year I can say proudly, looking around me, that we got it. Nowadays, the International Electric Vehicle Conference is just one of the several conferences organized worldwide on electric vehicles. So the first question is, why another conference on electric vehicles? The answer could be very easy. Why not?
Is that this conference is a very good venue to look at this topic from different angles.
The goal is quite simple: to deliver an unparalleled automotive testing experience that optimally supports the innovation of sustainable transportation and networked vehicle systems.
Electric mobility is a topic of great relevance, not only from scientific and industrial point of view, but also for the future of our society.
If you're not a part of these working groups, raise your hand. We'll put you to work.
When we look at the future policy, the electric cars is not a goal in itself. It is a means to combating some of the challenges in the public sector, such as the CO2 emissions and local air pollution.
There is more than enough oil. There is too much oil, and so it is not an end of oil issue. It is because electric mobility is the better option in all aspects. That's why we need to do it.
How to tackle these challenges? We need open mind. Closed mind cannot taste. That is why my topic, Renaissance and Global EV Development. Renaissance, here is the birthplace of Renaissance.
Climate change should go in the direction of zero emission, but it seems to be that it costs more money, then it will reduce the costs of mobilization. But we can combine. The first is renewable energy will be provided more and more in the future.
This is what we found. Shanghai 124, again, the recommendation is 20. London 76, Paris, Barcelona, Brussels, Madrid, Hong Kong. And this is something that we really need to deal with. I mean, it's great listening to all these fantastic vehicles that's being developed in the pipeline. But in the public sector, we need some help.
That the wireless could be also some answer to some of these challenges, like for example limited range or cost or time of charge. Because the wireless charging has to be used in that way that you are not parking car to charge, but you are charging when you are parking. And you are charging everywhere when you can, and you are charging at this time.
High power density power electronics is the key to enable the diversification of the energy density. And I introduced the wide bandgap, the benefit, and high temperature and high frequency operation. And for moving into the intelligent vehicles and autonomous driving, I focused on sensing technology. And improve the sensing technology is the key to adopt all kinds of scenarios for the future application.
In 2012 we have created a small group of people which are tasked of developing a scooter, a very high-end, very fast scooter. And I would like to give you a quick overview how we did it, why we did it, and what were our lessons learned.
We had a lot of very ambitious requirements for that car. It was to provide 0 to 100 miles, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in less than 3 seconds. We wanted to achieve a maximum speed of about 220 miles an hour. And in electric mode, wanted to have reasonable performance. It was quite a light range, something between 7 and 10 miles in fully electric mode.
Ecological sustainability and economic sustainability go hand in hand. We have a visionary design for the new brand,
the connectivity to find the charging places and enhanced navigation, mobility services, and the services I showed you, 360-degree electric, and a new sales model. So all in all, it's 2 cars, but much more than that.
Slogan of 2014 edition is building the electrical vehicle ecosystem to gain critical mass.
The world is going to change. Let us change the world.